Today we are going to learn how to create a bibliography page using Google Docs. So the first thing we need to do is go to our BPS space Launchpad and get signed in. Once our Launchpad loads, we will be looking for the app Google Apps Learn. Google Apps Learn. It looks like this. If you cannot find it, you can always come up here to the search bar and type in Google, and it should narrow it down to that app. Once you're in Google Apps Learn or Google Drive, you're going to go to the plus sign that says New, click on it, and click on Google Docs. On this page, you're going to title it Bibliography using an uppercase B. And we want that title to be centered, so we're going to come up here to where it says Center Align and click on the button, and it will center your title. Now we want to put the same title up here in Untitled Document, but I saved this for last because if you type it down here first and click up here where it says Untitled Document, it will magically appear without you having to type anything. Now that you have both the title on your page and up here in the document, you are going to click next to Bibliography, hit Enter until you're on the next line, and we want to align that back to the left, so come up here to the left align button. This is where you will type in your citation for the book that you are using. So the citation starts with the author's last name, comma, their first name, and make sure you are using an uppercase letter for each of these names, titles, and words that we are typing, a period, the title of the book, a period, the city that the book was published in, a comma, the publisher's name, a comma, the year that it was published, and a period. Again, make sure that each of these words that you are typing in has an uppercase letter for each one. And that is how you cite your book. Now you will find that information if you open up the cover of your book and turn the page. One page past the title page should have the publisher's page, and all of that information, the title, the city, the publisher, and the year, can be found on the publisher page. This is the formula that you will use to plug in the information from your own personal book that you had read. After that, you are going to come up here to the blue Share button, click Share, and you are going to type in the last name of your teacher. I'm going to use my last name to show you, but you are going to use your teacher's last name. Once you type in their last name, you will get a drop-down menu with some choices. And so make sure that your choice, the one that you're clicking on, matches your teacher's information, your teacher's first and last name. And once you click on that, then you can click Send. And now your teacher will have your document. That way, as you work along and progress through it, your teacher can see your progress as well, and you won't ever have to worry about turning it in later because you've already turned it in, and once it's complete, they'll have it available to them. All right, well, I hope that was useful for you. Go ahead and plug in all the information that you need on your Google Doc. Get that completed. Make sure you share it with your teacher. That is your assignment for today.